If you want to link Twitch to your Epic Games account, this quick guide will walk you through the full process step by step. This is useful if you want to connect your accounts for drops, rewards, or just to keep everything linked in one place. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once you're there, log into the Epic Games account that you want to connect with Twitch. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account, especially if you have more than one. After you're logged in, go to your account settings. From the menu, look for Account, then click Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games lets you connect third-party services like Twitch, PlayStation, Xbox, and more. On the Linked Accounts page, find Twitch in the list of available services. When you see it, click Continue to begin the linking process. Epic Games will now send you over to Twitch so you can sign in there as well. Enter your Twitch account details and make sure you're logging into the right Twitch profile too. Once you're signed in, Twitch will ask you to authorize the connection between Twitch and Epic Games. Take a moment to review the permission request, then click Authorize or Allow to confirm it. This step is what officially connects the two accounts together. After that, you should be redirected back to Epic Games, and the link will be complete. At this point, your Twitch and Epic Games accounts are now connected, and you're all set. If you are doing this for rewards, drops, or event access, you can now move forward knowing the accounts are properly linked. If you ever need to double-check it later, just go back to Account and Linked Accounts and confirm that Twitch shows as connected. And that's how you link Twitch to your Epic Games account in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.